Hi, I'm Chhavi Lal. I'm a principal at Perkins Eastman. Perkins Eastman is a global design firm with 24 offices across the world and projects with about 60 countries at a time. Our core practice areas are education, healthcare, senior living, and we bring in global best practices and trends to all our work. We design a lot of healthcare facilities and also senior care environments. In both of these places, acoustics is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Good acoustically treated space provides a calming effect, reduces stress, brings about healing to its occupants. That is very important for hospitals and healthcare spaces, not only for patients, but also for their caregivers, also for the staff, for the doctors who work in these stressful environments. Teachers are dealing with students that have distractions from peers, from social media. So when students come to a classroom, a teacher has to engage the student intellectually but also physically. For a teacher to do that, apart from the content itself that they're teaching on, the environment really matters. And that's where acoustics plays a very important role. I believe the working environment has seen significant change over the past decade, and especially so after the pandemic. There is this buzz about multitasking and how it makes you more productive, but truly it's not the case for everyone. Depending on what task you're doing and the kind of role you're in, you have requirements for different kind of spaces. So when we are designing workspaces, we are looking at a combination of private, semi-private, open offices, and collaborative work environments. It's important that all of these spaces are acoustically designed because, again, it helps users focus, stay productive, be attentive. In our firm, we have a huge diversity of clientele and projects. So the requirements for products are very different. There is no standard decision-making process that is followed on these projects. But one thing, that underlying factor that is there for clients to decide is the value for money. Clients definitely want to go for products where there is economic value, but also aesthetic value. For us as designers, sustainability is the key. We try to make our clients aware of the life cycle of a product, the cost of its life cycle, and what it means to take environmentally conscious decisions in the long term. Educational clients in schools and higher education are very sensitive to acoustic needs in classrooms, but not so much in other spaces. Whereas you do need acoustics even in canteen areas or in libraries. So there is some amount of awareness that we do have to bring in. For other kind of clients, we do have to inform them and make them conscious about requirements for acoustics, say in a public area, in a hospital, where just the noise because of the quantum of people could start affecting the performance of that space. So, while there is sensitivity, there is a level of awareness and education that we bring to the table as well. Acoustics plays a very vital role in the comfort and well-being and performance in interiors. In educational settings especially, there have been a lot of studies that have showcased how students perform better. They are able to focus better, they are able to apply their minds better, and in turn have better academic outcomes when acoustics is well planned. I think one thing that's unique to me about Ecophon is that they take their material research very seriously. And what I mean by that is that there is direct market application to the products. There are research centers and researchers who are working on these materials, not only back there, but also talking to architects, visiting project sites to see how the materials are performing. That I definitely think is something the company is doing that is taking it farther than many of their competitors. The other aspect that I'd like to talk about is the collaboration that we've had with representatives of the firm and how they have always advised us correctly in terms of collaborating and deciding what materials will be most suitable, what NRC values are obtained through ceiling products versus wall panels, how could you combine them, thereby bringing in the best application and also the most economic solution to a project. I think the trend in interiors is moving towards wellness and comfort of users. That is paramount these days. Anything that supplements and enhances the user experience is of utmost importance. The other thing which is very important is the agility and modularity of a space. Every square foot of real estate counts. So as much one can optimize and use that real estate to the maximum benefit, it's important and it's a welcome move. And that's another trend where we're seeing a lot of spaces are designed for multiple functions, multiple experiences. To me, one noise that really annoys me is honking on the streets. If people could just realize that honking is not helping them go anywhere any faster, that would be a great help to society at large. I think honking deserves a penalty fee each time you honk, so people are more mindful about honking.